Hey loves, this is Heartbreak to Elevate, video 7. You're not broken, you're being rebuilt. Heartbreak doesn't ruin you. Pain refines character. The pain that you feel inside from this heartbreak is literally building up your character. It's building up who you are as a person. You will take this part of you, this character, this version, your words that speak out of your mouth anywhere with you for your future, to your future husband, to your friends, to your family, to your children one day. Every pain and suffering that you've been through during this heartbreak, I swear to God, it is useful. It's going to be useful one day. So don't let this affect you in any way. I know it hurts. I know it hurts and you feel broken, but you're not. And this is going to be a story you're going to tell. You're going to learn so much from this. You're going to build a strong character and you're going to find your life partner eventually, the one that actually deserves you and is actually your perfect match. And this person was just not it, and that's okay. So we're going to get up, we're going to be strong, we're going to know this is going to build our character, and we're going to be better for it. There's a reason why this happened. So remember that everything happens for a reason. You're shedding an old version. Rebuilding creates strength. When you met this person, at the time you guys could have been a match, but along the path of your guys' relationship, someone could have outgrown someone, or you guys found out other things about each other and you just realized you didn't want to be with this person for the rest of your entire life, all the way to your 100 years old. That's a lot of years to commit to someone. So one way or another, one or the other person felt like this wasn't going to last long term. And you wouldn't want to marry someone who doesn't love you. And you don't want to marry someone that you don't love. So both ways, there was a decision that happened for a reason. And it's honestly for the better. Like, we need to be so grateful for the heartbreaks that happened. Like, so grateful. Because our children would have suffered if we stayed in a relationship that was not compatible. That wouldn't have lasted to 100 years old, right? So remember, that version of you that you were with that person is now the past. It's an old version. You're building a better version. And actually, you grow that character. You're transforming into a new person. You've learned so much from that relationship. And now you're going to make changes to yourself, make changes for the next one. You're going to be even better. Take everything you learned and be even better. Same with the person that you were with. They're going to do the same thing. And that's totally normal. That's how it should be. Both parties should level up and not glow down. No one, it's really horrible. Like, you don't want that person, you once loved them. Yeah, you guys are not together, but vice versa. They shouldn't want you to go lower and you shouldn't want them to go lower. So remember, you guys are both shedding off that old version of yourselves and you're going to be stronger. You're rebuilding an even stronger, more beautiful, more vibrant person, more handsome. Just everything about you is leveling up from this point forward. Your heartbreak is like almost like sometimes rock bottom, depending how low you went. And it's honestly like the best thing that could ever have happened to you, if you really think about it, and take the time to really process things. Confidence grows from surviving. Your confidence is going to grow as you survive through this. I know it hurts. It feels like literally someone grabbed your heart and ripped it out your chest and they stole it. And you're just like left here like what do I do with my life? I know you feel like I've been through it and it's horrible. But remember that your confidence will grow when you survive this, because you will survive this. Yes, it feels like a part of you is gone because maybe you guys bonded so tightly that it feels like a part of you is gone and he's gone or she's gone. Like, it was like you guys were a rock, you guys were a whole heart, and now it's like the part of it's half and you feel like you're left like how am I going to continue on with my life? Like, I know what you're feeling, but I'm telling you, we just need to survive this uncomfortable part because this is needed to happen, and this is protecting you and that person and your future children, your future babies. So this needed to happen for a reason. It happened for a reason, and we're going to survive this, even if it feels uncomfortable. Pushing past that survival energy, that painful, you just keep thinking about them and just it's in your head and it just it won't stop, and you see the memories and then things remind you. It's so uncomfortable. But once you survive this little era, I'm telling you, oh my God, your confidence is going to be growing. I can't explain to you. Even if you have to pretend in the beginning just to have the confidence, you can. And keep just growing in that confidence and pushing. Because I know you might feel like kind of insecure because at one point you like thought you were probably telling people this was your person, you were going to get married, you had all these goals, and now the goals are gone, right? They're evaporated. So you kind of feel like, no, like this is actually the beginning you. So don't let that affect your confidence and like who you are in this world. You can accomplish everything and anything alone by yourself. If anything, you have more time to focus on yourself and level the fuck up because you literally have all the time in the world now. You're not actually in that toxic relationship where that person's like taking your energy and you're giving all this energy and there's fighting and who knows what before you guys broke up. I don't know your situation, but what I'm trying to say is like whatever you went through, now that you're alone, you are going to level up in ways because you're going to be so focused on yourself, on your life, and your life is just going to transform. And I know it hurts right now and I know it doesn't feel like it. Stay confident, stay growing, stay learning, stay focused on yourself. Just level the fuck up. Use that energy of this survival, everything that happened that like gets you like kind of almost angry inside. You're almost like frustrated. Use all of this kind of like feeling of all this uncomfortable of like losing this part of you, like use this to build you up and just focus and grind. Literally grind. This is your time. You're becoming someone stronger. Right now in this era, you are literally becoming the strongest version of yourself that has ever existed on planet Earth. It's crazy, but it's literally the building blocks to your foundation of strength. So don't let this energy and this experience just go to waste and you just like stay in bed all day and do nothing. Like use this power. Most people like who don't have this and just going like you have an advantage to a lot of humans right now that are not actually going through something tragic to where now all they can do is focus on themselves and just like use that to like fuel them to like stay disciplined and consistent. You have leverage right now. I know it doesn't seem like it. You feel like you're like you're freshly like your heart is beating, you're more alert than ever. You were just your life kind of shook up. So now you all have to do is just focus and grind, and you want things more badly than other humans do right now. So use this anger, use this sadness, use this alone, use this life-changing situation to actually like grow you and just level up. I know you don't want to say that like, I don't want to be like that, but sometimes it's like that. So like when your ex eventually looks and tries to find you one day, like who are you? In the future, like a year from now, who are you? And vice versa. So level up, level up. Who knows what they said to you? If they said anything mean to you, them yapping at you, saying mean things that like negative things in your life, you're going to show that person who you're going to become. You're going to show them. You're going to show them the change. So prove it. Prove yourself. And love yourself and thrive and grow. Learn, make mistakes and grow and repeat and never look back. It's amazing. You just get better and better with time, and it's really incredible. Trust the rebuild. Here are some affirmations for you to use. I am being rebuilt. I am stronger now. I trust this process. You're rising. This is video 7, Heartbreak to Elevate. I hope you guys felt the energy that I can give to you and the knowledge that you guys I need you guys to know that this is happening for a reason, and it's here to like literally build you up to the best version that you can even imagine. So remember to not think of yourself as broken, but rebuilding into someone even more magnificent and powerful, and a version of you that you couldn't even imagine is coming. So stay focused, stay locked in on yourself, believe in yourself, trust yourself, love yourself, give grace to yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened that you did, they did, forgive all. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.